Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to creating an engaging headlines on Perplexity. So just tap on my Google Chrome and officially logged in perplexity.ai and how to create an engaging pages headlines. For example, I'm just write for health, healthcare, engaging headlines examples. So just tab on go for search. So here you will see the engaging headlines it's create for me from Perplexity. You will see. So there are also images, and here are some engaging healthcare headlines that stand out. Life cancel life, turning 40. We got a doctor for that. Beating the flu can be easy. Give it a shot. Over 50. So your colon you again. So here you will see, and you will just if you have like it, you will just tap on this like button, and if not, you will just put down. So this is, you can create an engaging headlines examples pages for which you created. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.